Okay, it's been a while since we reloaded the Harman here with some of that nice pea coal. Still have the ash pan door open. It takes a while to get the pea coal to actually get rolling. Usually have it open for like a half an hour or so. Take a peek inside. I get the trap door thing propped open. Sorry, there's not a lot of light back here. Let's see what happens when we crack the door open. Ooh. A little bit of volatiles burning off there. There we go. Starting to see some color through the coal. Yeah, that's pretty neat looking. Probably about as revved up as I want to get it. So we'll shut the overfire draft off and close the ash door now.